Uh, 350 kilowatt again? Is the market allergic to going bigger?
Well, not anymore. Meet Hopewind's 385 kilowatt beast, built to break the 350 curse and power up your utility dreams.
Hopewind? That's a name I've been hearing lately. What sets them apart?
Hopewind, a pioneer in wind technology, born in 2007, IPO listed by 2017, we brought the same R&D brilliance to solar and launched our 385 kilowatt inverter best in class in 2023. Let me tell you why this 385 kilowatt beast isn't just the biggest, it's the boldest. Some of its best features right here. And trust me, the rest you got to experience. Number 1, delivers full 385 kilowatt even at 40 degrees centigrade and holds strong to 350 kilowatt at 45 degrees centigrade while others start sweating at 30 degrees centigrade. Number 2, DC overloading 180 percentage. Competitors stuck at 150 percentage. Number 3, 8 MPPTs, 4 strings each. That's 32 inputs, the highest in the game. Number 4, built-in PLC support. Forget extra communication cables. Just plug, sync and go. Number 5, 60 amps per MPPT, a tailor-made for high power modules, even 750 watt peak giants. Number 6, 99.01% efficiency, which means squeezing every drop of sunlight into generation gold. Number 7, smart cooling with easy clean fans, high performance, low effort. Number 8, smart DC switch, not just safe but smart. It detects faults fast, shut down instantly, and gives you precision string level insights like never before in the market. Oh, no more bending module choices around inverter limits. With our beast on your side, 180 or 210 mm, high watt peak, high current, high voltage, bring it on. It handles them all. So, what does this mean for your utility scale projects? Simple, less is more. With our 385 kilowatt beast, you need fewer inverters. You have a 10 megawatt plan? Save up to 3 inverters. That's less AC and DC cabling, fewer breakers, isolators, trenches, and inverter canopies, and way less labor along with very less maintenance. Bottom line, you pocket 16 to 17 lakh in direct savings. And that's before the bonus energy yield even kicks in. This isn't just high output, it's high impact.
Oh, that all sounds super exciting. I'm honestly thrilled with what I've heard so far. But there's only one thing I have to ask. What about service and spare parts? This is the real concern for us on the ground.
Ah, good question. I know this is coming our way. Let it be spare part or spare inverter, we always have it readily available for you and we are at your service. Talking about service engineer, they are locally deputed at your service within 48 to 72 hours any given point of time.
Okay, I'm in. Let's talk next step for my 10 megawatt project. Who do I reach out to?
Meet Suntranspo Traders, Hopewind's official utility scale partner in Karnataka. From design to delivery, service to support, they have got you covered. Here is how to reach them and power up your next project.